Okay, this is in response to Morgan McGovern's question. Hey, do you guys have a Mac? I do, and I was wondering if you knew good voice programs for this class. Thanks, Morgan. Morgan, if you have a Mac, it should come with GarageBand. Let me show you how to find that. Get this out of the way. Okay, here we go. So go to your Finder, go to your Applications, and go to G, GarageBand. Drag that into your toolbar down here. Open it up. When it's there, go to New Project, go to Voice, click that. Okay, I'm going to give it a title, Sample. We're going to save that to the desktop. Okay, so create that sample. It's appearing down on the desktop in that region. You saw it. Okay, so we've got male basic, female basic. To control your tracks, it's up here. You just go, I'm going to delete female basic because I don't need it. Here's male basic. My track's in there. You got to make sure that your microphone is being detected. So in order to do that, first off, you want to go to the Apple System Preferences. Sometimes you have an onboard mic. My computer does not. Sometimes you have to plug in a mic. I plugged in a mic. So here you're only going to see line in and digital in. Those are the plug-in options for my microphone. These are the levels to see if your microphone's working. If you have a built-in mic, it'll also appear up here, and then you select that and you'll see it down here. Once your bars down here are working, then you're going to want to go back into GarageBand, go to Preferences, and go to Audio MIDI. And make sure that your audio input is whatever you had selected on that System Preferences screen. Then it will appear down here, and you can make it stereo or mono. I recommend stereo. It's just better. You can monitor it if you want. And if you turn this on, you might want to turn on feedback protection. But down here is where you'll see your bars to show that your microphone is working. You're going to want to check that before you do anything. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way. So we want to go into your track, basically, and that's where it starts. Here's record. This is how you record your voice on your track. So now that we saw those bars, we know our microphone is working. I turn the monitor off. You're going to want to hit record. There's a metronome on GarageBand that can kind of come out of nowhere. That option is up here to turn it on and off if it interferes with your recording at all. Anyway, go ahead and hit record. That's you recording right there. So if my microphone's pretty quiet, if yours is louder, these bars would be moving. You'll see they're kind of small. To stop, you just push spacebar, or you can click the record button again. So let's go and play back. That's you recording right there. So if my microphone's pretty quiet, if yours is louder. All right, so we can hear that working. That is absolutely coming in correctly. In order to share this file, if you want to share it with the, what is that, etudes, you're going to export the song to disk. He said on the syllabus, or one of the postings, that 192 kbps, I believe it was for the first assignment, is what he recommends. So that's a high quality. That's all that is. It'll say it right down there. You go ahead and export that. You want to save it to your desktop. Name it sample or whatever, for me it's sample, but save all your work in a folder for your desktop. So I'm going to save that. It's going out right now. Okay, let's make sure. Okay, so there it is, right? Now, if you had your web page up here for the posting, you would basically go into the assignments section and click on the assignment. Well, mine's finished, but you would click there, and then you can upload that file from your desktop. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to check. Thanks very much for joining me. Hope I answered your question.